Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to erase your QuickBooks Online data. Let's get started. So once you've logged into your QuickBooks account, you're going to have your business here or your other accounts. So mine is Jerome Business, Home, Cash Flow Planner, and then bank accounts. You can link your bank account over there and then set up checklist, add more business info, and get ready to invoice. So now what we need to do is look for a settings icon here on the right side. It should be like a settings cog. So you're going to select that. So now we have different options here: your company, list, tools, and profile, account settings, manage users, custom form styles, chart of accounts, additional info, and then under lists, all lists, products and services, recurring transactions, attachments, custom fields, and rules, and so on. So what we need to do is look for a heading which says profile. Now under profile, we need to select subscriptions and billing. So now we just wait a bit. So the subscription that you currently have, what you need to do is cancel that subscription. So what that's going to do is erase all of your QuickBooks data, and then you can just start over with a new subscription. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.